I'd printed this guy up like a long time ago when I first started printing. Well, not super long ago. So I figured it's time for an upgrade. So I came across these guys, and I thought this was a cool design. So we'll go ahead, got the cable in there, about midways I think. Close that bad boy up. Go ahead and line that bad boy up. Well, it wasn't as even as I thought. But man, that's nice. That's not bad. Got a smaller one. They had a middle-sized one or a smaller one than this. It failed on the print bed, so I just canceled it. But these guys turned out good. I'm definitely going to print up a few more for other USB-C cables and stuff.